Okay, this is cool. This is cool. Whoa. Good job I had handguards on. This is tight. I'm literally so loose. It's all this high speed stuff. It's what I'm not good at all. I'm not good at much anyway, but the high speed stuff, definitely not. Or woods, or anything for that matter. Whoa. This is tight. What I need to do, right, is stop trying to keep up with the faster riders, really. Just go at my own pace. I need to go at the back. I need to go at the back. But anyway, back to the bike. Feels nimble. Doesn't feel like a 450 between my legs, that's for sure. We'll see how the 250 does. That's going to be lighter, but between the 450 and the 250, there is only 3 kilograms difference in weight, which is quite impressive actually. Whoa. Well, I need to sort this front end out. It's so wishy-washy. What is this? Why is there no one in front of me so I can guide me on the lines? Oh, we're in the tight stuff. I don't know what I like more actually. I mean, I'm not good at the fast stuff. I'm not good at the tight stuff. I'm not good at anything actually. But who cares? I'm the weekend warrior, test riding what a weekend warrior would enjoy on a Triumph. You know, not everyone's a pro that buys bikes. That's why they invite me to these things. They're like, oh, you know, you're average, so let's see how you think of it. And I do like it, but like I said, not a 450 rider myself, really. I'm a professional fun haver though, so I don't care how good everyone else is and how much I suck. I'm still loving life. I mean, these boys are flying through here. I just don't understand how you can go faster without hitting a tree. Like, because you're out with the good boys, it makes you want to just like go a bit faster and push yourself, but you know, so far away from home, let's just chill out, baby. Very impressed with Tommy today though. He is ripping, to be fair. Everyone always says he's not good at enduro. He's come on a lot. Are we looking downhills, very slippery downhills. Look at me catching the pack. Come on, boy. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Oh. Tell you what, riding with Gazzy B is helping the old training here. Oh wow, bamboo season. Ed's a good rider. You all know Ed from Kex, Tommy's guy. He's always with Billy and that. Really good rider. Really good. Well, he's from the 2 Pro 1 Slow podcast. See, these kind of trails where these boys just go. I know everyone's screaming in the comments going, why don't you just go? Well, because I don't want to and I can't. And even if I could, I wouldn't. Look at this, beautiful. Oh, why isn't this my back garden? This is so cool. But tell you what's not cool is that sun coming out, and now it's like I'm in an oven. It is pretty bad. Oh. Sit down, chill out. It's narrow. Do you know, just the sheer delivery power on this is quite nice to ride. Usually 450 is a bit much for me, which this still is much. But it's not killing my arms as much as a normal one would, so that's a positive. I haven't adjusted anything. They offered to adjust things at the start of the ride, levers, suspension. I kept it completely stock because I wanted to see what it was like just straight from the factory, so that's what I'm rocking. I might adjust the levers though, they are a bit high. They don't adjust talent down in the tents, which a bit frustrating because I thought they'd have a talent tent. Well, how often is it, yeah, you can just jump on a bike and go ride with professionals and champions? Like, you can't. It's ridiculous. I never ever ever forget how blessed I am in life. Wake up every morning, blessed to open my eyes, blessed to do the things I do, blessed to be here in Barcelona, just blessed. Simple things. If you wake up in the morning, open your eyes, take a breath, you're blessed, enjoy it, make the most of it. Oh, he goes deep again. This could possibly be a long video, boys and girls. We're still on the 450, got the 250 coming up at the end, which is, I don't know, probably a better bike for everyone that watches, I guess. More of 250 lovers in the comments, let me know. Whoa. This track is relentless. Just keeps going and going and going and going. Well, I guess we're on race spec bikes, so I'm in the wrong race if I'm riding with these. Oh, don't sit down, don't sit down. You're way worse than you sit down. Okay, sitting down again. So, getting tired. For a 450, this bike is so nimble. The turn's absolutely amazing. It's proper nice. Proper nice. So yeah, final review of the 450 then before I jump over onto the next bike. I think a lot of people are going to like it. It's smooth power delivery. You'll see if you ever get a chance to ride one. It's proper smooth. You could ride this all day. I've done the morning. I got tired initially just because I'm unfit. That's literally about it. But as the day's going on now, getting more... Whoa, I was about to say getting more comfortable until I stacked it. But yeah, I'm getting more comfortable on it. It's a nice bike. I got a feeling I like the 250 more. And by the way, this is all completely stock. I haven't installed it once actually. Ooh. Yeah, this is all stock, so I haven't adjusted anything. So if you put your own suspension and stuff on one of these, one thing I love about it is the KYBs. So when you turn, it loves to turn. KYBs is just so nice. Oh, this isn't nice. Whoa! Yeah, all in all, not a 450 guy, but definitely ride one for the day.